TPS pala.
Manjavski. Flores. Pass to Moya. Sangulyas. Tari. Dribble double by Tari. Sangulyas, take 3. Jacinto, dribble double by Jacinto. Jacinto drives. Oh.
Gapang na.
Adonis takes. Jeffsky, dribble double by Jeffsky. Jeffsky pass to Jacinto. Jacinto drive. Oh, 2 points by Jacinto. Mark, drive by Mark. Pass to Sangulyas.
Sayang.
Dribble double by Jacinto takes. Gray boy.
Bel bola.
Ops Moya. Cut by Moya. Moya takes. Mark drive by Mark. Pass to Tari. Tari takes 2 points. Flores. Dribble the ball by Flores. Ang nag-iisang Flores. Pass to Jacinto. 10 seconds shot lang. Eman takes 3. Eman 3 points. Senyor, oops. Adonis take 2. Jacinto pass to Moya. Moya drive by Moya. Sugod by Sugod. Sugod by Dang.
Bel, wala galaw. Kami pipirmis doon.
Magkatalo sila pare.
Flores. Jacinto.
Nagdududa na ako.
Moya. Last touch by Gray. Green ball.
7 minutes and 52 seconds.
7 minutes and 52 seconds. Tayo lang ako para seryoso. Mark. Oops. Traveling by Mark. Mark Sagiwa. Flores, park to Eman. Eman, dribble the ball by Eman. Pass to Jacinto. Pass to Eman.
Dalawa.
Eman, drive by Eman. Pass to Moya. Steal by Mark. Drive by Mark. Oops!
Sabit, Jeffrey.
Foul, Mr. JP Palogme.
Number 1, pound for pound.
Pound for pound.
Ano?
Mark, naghahanap ng mapapasaan. Mark, bigay mo na kay JP. Mark, pass to Tari. Oops, rebound by Jacinto. Pass to Eman. Takes 2 points. Ozon dribble the ball by Ozon. Ozon drive by Ozon. Ozon take.
Foul, Jeffrey again.
Foul by Palogme again.
Wala na yung foul.
Foul out na.
Ozon dribble the ball by Ozon.
Ano mo ulit?
Naghanap ng mapapasaan. Mark. Up, rebound by Sangulyas. Takes. Oops, again. 6 and 41 seconds. Akala mo na tumingin, lamang kayo. Oo. Lamang kayo. Jeff, dribble the ball by Jeff. Ayusin natin parang Flores, dribble the ball by Flores. Flores pass to Eman. Eman to Moya. Moya! 2 points by Moya.
Ganda nun ah.
Ozon takes 3. Oops. Gray ball. Jacinto takes. Dribble by Tari pass to Adonis. Adonis dribble the ball by Adonis pass to Ozon. Ozon takes. 2 points by Ozon. Nanlalamig ang kanyang takbo.
6 minutes remaining time.
6 minutes. Eman dribble the ball by Eman. Eman take 3. Eman 3 points.
Sinit na yung kamay.
Mark, drive by Mark. Oh, 2 points by Mark.
Wala daw, walang dugo. Kailangan may dugo.
Wala pang dugo, antayin mo yung dugo. Flores, dribble the ball by Flores. Flores. 14 seconds shot lang.
Labas eh.
Moya takes. Oh, Moya again. Pass to Herman, pass to Flores. Flores takes 3. Mark, dribble the ball by Mark. Mark drive, pass to Sangilias, 2 points. Eman, dribble the ball by Eman. Score 75-66. Eman dribble the ball by Eman. Eman pass to Jacinto. Jacinto pass to Moya. Moya takes 2 points. Pinubuenas ka talaga, roommate. Senyo. Pass to Senyo. Ozon pass to Sangilias. Sangilias drive. Takes 2 points by Sangilias. Sangilias ba? Sangilias.
Basta, ano na? Siniguelas.
Yung cellphone ko naman dyan, may mababan ko dyan.
Jeffrey Flores. Flores dribble the ball by Flores. Eman. Oops, Mark. Flores. Eman takes 3. Oops, within. 4:20 minutes remaining. Eman dribble the ball by Eman. Pass to Jacinto. Jacinto drives. Oh. Tari. Mark. Oh. Foul by Flores.
Di ba pinante?
Nahapakan daw yung sintas.
Wala pa. Third pala.
Off substitute. Subs by Ozon. Pasok.
Dito ka para maano mo yung time.
Sinyo.
Dito ka para maano mo yung time.
3 minutes and 58 seconds. Jeffrey Flores, dribble the ball by Jeffrey Flores. Pass to Eman. Eman takes 3. Oops. Dribble by Jacinto. Jacinto drive. Jacinto take. Wala pa rin. Tari drive. Senyo drive. Senyo takes. Oh. Eman. Dribble the ball by Eman. Pass to Moya. 2 points by Moya. Sangulias, pass to Tari. Tari drive. Foul. Foul. Sangulias take 3. Moya, rebound by Moya. 3 minutes left. Eman dribble the ball by Eman. Oh. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Mark dribble the ball by Mark. Mark drive by Mark. Mark. Eman. Dribble the ball by Eman. Flores. Flores take 3. Oh, nabitin pa. Oh, steal by Jeffrey. Tari. Flores.
Mamadali kayo eh.
Naghahabol eh.
Oh, pass by Moya. Wala pa rin Moya. Sangulias. Mark. Pass to Tari. Oy. Sonia. Sonia. Tari takes 2 by Tari. 1 and 59 seconds.
79, 72.
Ito na lang. 155.
1 and 49 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Wala na. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Busog na busog si Alex sa ilalim ah.
Idol mo yan! Galingan mo! 79-72.
Wow! Sarap talaga magluto ng manok si Alex, oh.
Adobo! Adobo!
Bukas ulit.
Santa Maria, dribble the ball by Santa Maria, pass to Senyo. Senyo drives. Rebound by Moya. Moya dribble the ball by Moya. Moya drive Moya. Wow!
Talagang
Adobong manok. Asharap. Senyo. Tari takes 3. Oh. Mark 2 point. 1 and 13 seconds. Eman dribble the ball by Eman. Eman pass to JP. JP. Jacinto. Pass to Eman. 10 seconds shot clock. JP. Jacinto takes. Oops. Moya. 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 Moya.
sarap talaga ng manok.
Best player ng game.
Santa Maria drives. Oops, wala pa rin.
Wala nang batay.
41 seconds.
41 seconds. 41 and point.
Uy, ganda nun.
Sangulias, 3 point. Isa na lang.
38 seconds.
Moya, dribble the ball by Moya, 36 point. Flores. Oh.
Ano yun?
Jacinto. Oh. Tari. Senyos. Mark, 2 points by Mark. 21 seconds. Oops. Foul by Mark. 18 seconds. Kaya ba yan?
Hindi pa. Penalty na?
Wala pa, wala pa, wala pa.
18 seconds ah.
18 seconds. 17, 16, 15, 14. Oops.
10 seconds.
14 seconds.
Tatlo lang. Tatlo lang.
13.
12.9 seconds.
12.9 seconds. Who's foul?
I see, ano?
Jay, wala.
Ilan pa?
14.
Ilan pa yun?
12. 11 and 0.4 seconds. Penalty.
Penalty na. Free throw.
Mga isa lang, panalo na.
11 seconds.
11 seconds.
Ay, sama siya.
Banana. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds, 5.2.
Dalawa siya.
Foul by Criselda Bolts. Number 31.
Dili na naman yun ah.
Nice.
4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, great team.
Dapat so.
Nagpa-adobong manok naman kayo dyan by Alex Moya.
Oh, committee.
Sana all may adobo.
Committee.
Asan na ba yun?
Sana all may adobo.
Sana all may adobo. Adobong masarap.